It is now recording. So here's how we build a slideshow with Google Slides. So first off, we want to go into the master slide. This controls the look and feel of the whole slideshow. If you've ever had to go into your 30 slides and change one thing on every single one of them, that is so annoying. You don't have to do that. The master slide controls the look and feel of the whole presentation. So we go in here, and first off, I want to have black as the background and the font to be white. Maximum contrast is the #1 design rule. Highlights appear closer to the audience, darks appear further away. And we just do that by clicking that. But this is not black. This is actually like dark gray. So I'm going to right-click on the background right over here, and I'm going to change background, and I'm going to go like this, and I'm going to click on black right there. Hold the questions till I'm done, and we'll go back. Next thing I'm going to do, the master file is the template for the whole slideshow. I'm going to take this, since I'm only going to have one hunk of text per slide and hopefully just a few words. I'm going to put this right here, and I want it to be centered, so I'm going to go over here and I'm going to center it. Also, I want the text to be a little bit bigger because I'm not going to have a lot of text. I want it to be really visible. So I'll go like that. And maybe I'll go a little bit higher. All of this stuff over here, these are not slides. They're sub-templates. And depending on what you want to do, you might use that style or this style, but you can use different sub-templates. The problem that we have is that on the third one right here, there's an invisible box in front of everything. And every time you make a new slide, this is the template it's going to pull from. And that invisible box, you'll have to delete every single slide you create, which is annoying. So I'm just going to stop there, and I deleted that box in front of it. This is all good. And I'm now ready to build my slideshow. Now, I could change the font. I don't care which font you use, but choose wisely, because font says a lot about who you are or what you're trying to say. Like italicized font implies action. Straight font like this is very appropriate, business-like, maybe even a little boring. But you want to be careful with your font choice. Too dramatic, or if it's hard to read, people are going to have a harder time with it. But characters have a lot of character. He thinks he's funny. When I'm done with the master slide, I go to View, and I deselect it by just clicking on it. And now I'm back to my slideshow. Now, the first slide has a kind of it's a different template. It's just only on the first slide. So it says hi. I'm just going to say hi there. I'm going to duplicate, or I'm going to make brand new slides for every slide I need. I grab my storyboard. I know how many slides I need. I need 32. So I go in here, and I'm going to do Control-M 32 times. Now, I didn't wake up this morning saying, hey, I can't wait to make a slideshow all day long. I made 33. Whoops. No big deal. I'll just leave that one there. I can delete it later. So what I'm going to do is I look at this, and I'm literally going to write down the words that I plan to put on my slides. And so I look at the sample here, and right here it says, hi, and I click on this one, name is, and you can kind of see where I'm going. And I just keep going like this. So, ladies and gentlemen, hopefully you're observing that. Like, this doesn't take long. I'm going to be done in like a minute or two with all the words I need to put on here. My slideshow technically is alive. It's missing the imagery, and it's missing its citation, but essentially it's done. The structure is done. Let's just say that I wanted to put the cat here. I like to do this. I'll do all uppercase, and this calls my attention to the fact that it's going to be a picture of a cat. Or I'll do picked cat or picked whatever. Just when I'm looking through, I'm like, oh, a picture goes here. So at this point, once I'm done building all my slides, then I'll go back and I'll count, and I look at my sheet, and I gathered yesterday or on Friday, I gathered 7 images that I needed. They're all on my desktop, ready to go. I now place all those pictures. So I just go Insert, Image, and it's from my desktop. I go like this, I click Open, and wait for it. And there it is. It will automatically fill the frame appropriately. And let's just say I'm ready to present. I can test this out by going to View, Present, or click somewhere else. And hi, my name is Cat. Well, if this were my presentation, I could say, hi, my name is Cat, or Kitty, or something like that. But the point is, that's how you build a slideshow. First, go to Master Slide. Second, go in and put in, make the number of slides you need after you've built the black background, the white font, and aligned everything you need to. Put in all the text. Then put in all the images. You're done.